Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. This morning I'm going to take a look at June grass. I have, this is yellow foxtail, so we'll just pull that. I planted June grass all through here. You can actually, I'll pull some of this stuff up and show you what's along the edge here in a second. The reason I planted June grass in the gravel here is because that's what it prefers. It prefers pretty lousy soil, and it said in the description that it will not tolerate heavy clay soil. That's what we have here. Just underneath the surface we have heavy clay everywhere, and that's what's underneath. You know, that far down, this is heavy clay here as well. But so far it's been doing pretty good. This one here died, this one died, but it looks like it's making a comeback. Not sure. And I don't know what caused that, but we got 1, 2, 3. This one died. 4, and then we got some under here. And the ones that were shielded are doing a little better. That one's really nice looking, actually. And this is supposed to make a real nice looking mound of fine grass like that. So I thought it would make a good edge to the garden. You know, otherwise this is just a bunch of scrubby little weeds like this. And sometimes they get fairly tall. So I don't know how, yeah, see there's some right there too. I didn't really count on all this stuff falling on top of it. In the summer this stands straight up, so, but I don't think it's going to make much of a difference once this is established, but that remains to be seen. So this is first year. This was started in the greenhouse. I think the grasses were started later, so this is probably started in April, something like that. You can go back and watch the videos and it'll show when I started all this stuff if you're interested. I don't know if when I started it was the best time or not, but it's actually doing fairly well. And there's some way down there that's doing fairly well as well. So we'll see how this does in the coming years. There's one right here. So this is a cool season grass, so what I'm hoping is that this will start immediately in the spring, way before this stuff, and look really nice, and then it'll go to seed, you know, by the time this stuff is coming out. And then again, when this is dying back, this will be there in the fall for a nice look in the fall. I believe this is purple lovegrass over here. I did another video on that, so if you look around for that, you should find it. And we got some rye back here. I'll do a separate video on that. So that's it. That's the look at June grass. What else? Oh, the seed. The seed on this June grass is really tiny, so it's kind of hard to work with. I raked some in all along here for a fall planting, and I don't think any of it's come up yet, so I'll update and show if any of that comes up. Don't know if it will or not. So if you want to see that stuff, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon so you're notified when I post the videos. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section below. I generally answer all questions. And if you give us a like and or share the video, that would help the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.